Hi guys, today we are ranking the best cheap drones under $100. You can find the links of the products featuring in this video at the description below. The PowerUp 4.0 takes paper airplanes to the next level. This little kit attaches to an ordinary airplane, and thanks to a pair of propellers, lets you pilot the plane from your smartphone. The kit comes with 4 pieces of paper with an airplane pattern, but you can also download patterns for free from the company's website. There's a bit of a learning curve, and you'll need a lot of space to fly the plane. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be surprised at how far it will go. The Drocon X708W Cyclone lives up to the name. It's a nippy little drone that can turn and move at a considerable speed. That means it requires a light touch on the sticks of the large included remote. Move too fast, and the drone could easily zoom out of control. The camera captures either video or still images, though its resolution of 640 into 480 is lower than that of other drones on this list. The drone's app, available for iOS and Android devices, lets you preview or record the video from this camera on your phone, although the video is somewhat blurry and grainy when the drone is moving. You can fly the drone either from this app or the included remote control. Flight time is between 5 to 10 minutes, but the drone comes with 2 batteries, so you can get a bit more fun out of the drone before you have to head back to the hangar. Take a folding drone, shave off a few pounds and most of the features, and you have the holy Stone HS160 Shadow. For less than $100, you get a drone that folds down to about the size of a TV remote, and comes with a soft carrying case, 2 batteries and a remote control. This remote can also hold a smartphone that can show a preview from the small camera in the front of the drone when you are running the free app. The image quality isn't great, but it does give you a decent sense of being on the drone itself. This is not very fast, turning and moving rather slowly even in the fastest flight mode. It flies more like a passenger plane than a fighter jet, with slower turns and banks. This does help with the video quality, as the 720p video that the camera captures is less likely to break up when the drone is moving more slowly. It also means fewer crashes and collisions, although the fold-up arms of the drone has an annoying habit of folding up if the drone bumped into things. The battery life of 5 to 6 minutes is not great, but it comes with 2 easily swappable batteries, so you can get some good flying in. While not the most exciting of drones, this is a good pick for the aspiring airborne filmmaker. Snaptain's A15H is inspired by the design of the DJI Mavic Mini, right down to the way the arms fold up, but costs a quarter of the price. This is a fun drone to fly, and has some neat tricks, like the ability to flip 360 degrees in the air. The controller is powered by 3 AAA batteries, and looks like an Xbox controller that's been attacked by a button bedazzler. There are 16 buttons in addition to the 2 control sticks. While the video is captured in 720p resolution, it's grainy and blurry, even in bright light. There is no gimbal stabilization on the camera, so you only get a straight-ahead view that bumps and shakes as the drone maneuvers. It also has a serious case of rolling shutter, where video looks wobbly. The battery only holds about 800 meters AH of charge, so you only get about 5 minutes of flight time. You do get 2 batteries. The Eachine E58 is the sleekest looking pocket drone on the market. Its design is based on DJI Mavic Pro, one could even say a copy of the famous DJI Quad. The Eachine E58 packs a 2 megapixel camera, and can transmit live video over Wi-Fi. This is a very stable quadcopter that fights the wind efficiently. It's beginner-friendly, but not the fastest drone on the market. At its top speed it flies as fast as a brisk walking pace, but still remains easy to maneuver. Each battery charge will last you around 10 minutes, but the deal we have linked to comes with 3 batteries, all for less than $100. The Snaptain S5C has a neat angular design complete with rather bright red and green LEDs near the motors. However, the large rotor blades are somewhat noisy in flight. This can be controlled from the included controller, through the Snaptain app, or through hand gestures. Select this in the app, then make a 2-finger victory sign at the camera, and it counts down and takes a photo. Hold up an open hand with the fingers extended, and it starts recording video. Do that again, and it stops recording. It's surprisingly effective. The S5C captures video at 1280 by 720 resolution, but the video is rather grainy and noisy. There is no image stabilization, so every bump and dip of the drone is captured, along with a pronounced rolling shutter effect, where the video looks like wobbly jello. Even though the S5C is light, it gets blown off course easily. It's underpowered. Set the drone flying forwards, and it loses altitude because the motors can't run fast enough to keep the altitude up. The S5C comes with 2 matchbook-sized rechargeable batteries, each of which can power the drone for about 7 to 8 minutes of flight. Not only is the Ryze Tech Tello a fun drone to fly, but it's designed to help kids learn to program, by dropping blocks of code, Lego style, into an app, using the Scratch programming language. There's a bit of a learning curve, so children may need some guidance on just how to program the Tello. Designed by DJI, the Tello is a light, but solidly built drone, with an electronically stabilized camera that can record video at 720p at 30 fps and take 5 megapixels photos. Ryze advertises the Tello has being able to fly for up to 13 minutes on a charge, but we found its flight time to be about half that. Either way, it's worth investing in a few spare batteries. The Tello also does not come with a physical remote control, so you'll have to use your smartphone, unless you want to spend an extra $50 on a controller. The Tello is available in a few different colors. There's even an Iron Man branded model for Marvel fanatics. Thank you for watching so far, and we hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more reviews. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time.